we're making a 1,000 piece fireworks over Westminster jigsaw, and I had loads of it done, and here is wrecked, here is wrecked, and here is wrecked, and here is the culprit for wrecking it. Benji, have you anything to say for yourself?
I did not do it. I'm being framed.
You will go to the polecat home
It was
if there's
your
any
mom.
more.
It was this girl, very tall woman.
So
she's blaming me.
Here's what we've done. We separated pieces, all black pieces, all the
orange
sort of browny cathedral pieces or Westminster pieces. That's the black pieces. That's random. What's this? That's the dark bit there pieces, and that's the really bright pieces over here. So separated it all into different pieces, and now I'm going to have to repair the damage that Benji has done. So I will come back whenever this bit is repaired, and we will give you an update and show you what it's looked like when it's repaired.
Bye.
So Rachel, how are you finding putting the blacks in? Hard, yeah. As I say, I think the blacks would be harder because when you've got the coloured pieces.
Not the right spot.
Well, as long as you don't force it. When you've got the coloured pieces, you can get colours and shapes, which is easier. But then when you've got just black, it's just shape, which is harder. That's why.
But there's a gap there, and it's pointing sideways.
It's a bit like a Rubik's Cube, which is shape-shifting ones. They're really tricky to do, but it looks really, really cool. Let me check it out. What one? No, there's air gaps in between there, so it definitely doesn't go there. But there's a wee, that's a wee star or something. Have you compared to see where it goes? Up there somewhere? No.
Go there.
No. No, that's like dark blue there. And it's black, so. See, it's really strange. So here is a wee progress update. Owen's been very busy, and a few others have been busy as well, but you can see, and Benji's been busy wrecking the place. So now we've mainly got blacks to do, and the blacks I think will be the trickiest bit.
Yeah, because there's loads of
even though they're all the same, it's just getting all the shapes there, and you've no colours to go by. But you can see it looks really, really well.
Daddy, can we look at the face now?
It is class. Now, we had a raid from Benjamin Franklin earlier. And he is sleeping, and I cannot see him there. Because there's no light. Okay, but we will not wake him up. Okay, so we will see you later when we've got a bit more done. Yeah. So we are stuck a wee bit on this jigsaw. So we had all the edges done first, but when we're trying these black pieces, we just have to try and individually fit them in, and we've done a whole lot, but then we're stuck. So I think this top row, although they're all black pieces, they might be just in the wrong way. So we're going to take this out and then build all these other pieces up to it, and then go from there. And then we will have it awesomely finished. And Owen over here is playing a bit of roulette.
Yeah, I'm just going to go like that.
Oh my goodness, look at how much you've got on. What sort of a bet says? Are you going to be a millionaire if you win?
Daddy,
If I win, I'm going to be a millionaire?
Daddy, I'm just going to spin.
Okay.
So
Let me
if
see.
it's
What have you got on black?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's on black, so if it's on black, I'm just going to dump the whole thing on.
Okay.
It's on black.
And Owen, do you know what time it is?
What?
1:45 in the morning.
It's not morning yet.
Okay, right, we'll get on with this jigsaw. So this is our progress now. And we've nearly got it done because we tried different tactics. So, isn't very many pieces left now.
Yes.
And you can see the time now is 2:06 in the morning. And I so can't wait to get this done. We bought this 1 week ago, and there's a lot of work went into it. a lot of work.
I'll try that one.
Okay.
So it has to be 3 of these.
No, it doesn't fit because it doesn't go across right out of there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just strange. This is 2 and 2. It is 2 and 2. It should fit there, but it doesn't. My goodness. Right, well, I'll go back again. So,
We are finished it.
we have finally finished it, and everyone in the house has done a bit. So here is our beautiful, beautiful picture, and it is now 25 to 3 a.m. and being oil.
Almost 3 a.m.
And Tara is the only one's awake in the house, and wee Benji is sleeping over there. So
In Mummy's coat.
yep, the other thing to do now is to get the frame and
all
try and put it in the frame.
Now is do a 3 a.m. challenge.
Oh, spooky. Right, I'm going to grab this frame over, okay?
Okay.
Right, this is what we're going to have to do. I got a picture frame from, what do you call the place?
It's 7 by 50.
70 by 50
And you
from the
can-
range.
And see, you can see 70 by 50
Okay, so
centimeters.
this is the back that comes off. So that has to go underneath this.
It's gonna be
and
hard.
then I have to put this on top of this. So for me to do that, can you see what you're recording on?
Yeah.
I have to then get this page, and this page will go underneath this. So I can lift it in one go. Now this should work okay. I can get this
Yep.
slid under.
And I am the cameraman. Hello.
Yeah.
I was just showing them that I was the cameraman.
Okay.
I wasn't really talking,
So
so
there
I
we
don't
are.
know.
So that's that underneath. Right. Oops. You wrapped it. It's very tight in wee bits.
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure water got in it, so
No, not water. I don't know. It's heat and stuff can change it. So some wee bits there just don't seem to be connecting, but they're all the right shape there. So
But this picture is beautiful though.
now I need to get this.
It's not beautiful.
That's the top where you're gonna hang it.
It's not beautiful upside down.
And if we slide it this way, that's gonna scrape the table, isn't it?
5-minute crafts right here.
Oh, excuse me. I should have had this cleared first. Yeah, 5-minute craft. We made 5-minute craft videos, which were 11 minutes. And we got one taken down where we made a
Because
clothes
you
folder.
took your...
I
Cause
took my top off to fold my clothes. So I have these all facing this way, and that means I won't scrape the table if they're all facing that way. So
Daddy,
this is the top
you
hold on.
should have took your top off, but not showed the camera.
I didn't know you get banned for taking your top off. Or your video taken down.
Well, Rick and Morty, not sponsored.
So now this will have to go underneath. So if I make this,
How is that? How are you doing that?
because the page is underneath it, and I slide this up. Are you getting this one?
Yep.
Are you getting it all?
Yep. Whoa. It sounds like sand.
There. Now, that's something I just thought of myself. I didn't follow any instructions. I just worked it out that I need to do that.
Wait, Daddy, we're going over
worked
the
out
bungee
well.
cam. Daddy,
Yeah.
we're going over the bungee cam.
Okay.
Okay. Benji, get your head up. Benji cam. Little sleepy Benji. Picture cam.
Right, there we are. Now,
Daddy, you should have did it by 70 by 51.
this is
So it'll be easier.
Over it.
Wow.
No, you get ones bigger, but I thought it wouldn't be as good with a border around it. I just wanted this around it. Just a slight small frame. I seen a wooden frame, a black flat wooden frame that we used for the other jigsaw that we've done. But
And Daddy, wait.
so now if I just look underneath, oh, and I need some room, son. Could you move a wee bit away?
Look, I'm giving them a better view.
Okay, but I need to actually do this, and I need you sort of filming from a bit of a distance. So, Benji, don't you dare think of attacking me.
I don't dare think of scraping that.
Oh, I thought that was your leg I seen on the table. I thought it was Benji coming from. There's one side on.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I wish that fireworks happened at our street.
Well, we've got a video of fireworks. Remember after the lantern parade?
Daddy,
Yes.
it's not going to be a 5-minute craft.
No, definitely not.
Well, we'll try and make it a 6-minute craft.
That's the only part of it. There's all the other thing that has to go on.
No.
So, just wait there. And put all the clips back in. And
as you can see on Daddy's finger, beautiful rings. Beautiful.
yep, so
One of them is his wedding ring.
yeah. Another one usually goes in that finger, but I kept breaking out judo. So let me see. We're back a bit. Are you ready for our beautiful framed picture? Our jigsaw of Westminster on New Year's Eve. Ta-da! Finally finished.
Daddy,
Yes?
they should be red, white, and blue.
Why?
It's America.
America. This is London, son.
USA.
So, do you want to then say bye-bye to the guys? Okay?
Bye.
So,
Make sure to like and subscribe. But first, you need to find all the pieces to the like button to put it together. And the subscribe button. So if the subscribe button is red, make sure to click it to make it grey. And click the bell so you're notified every time we post.